Welcome to Newsy Learning Podcast. How to make money on YouTube, effective strategies. Starting your own YouTube channel can offer a variety of ways to generate an income. With consistency and dedication, you may find that you can continue to grow your revenue. Some of the more popular opportunities to earn money this way include monetizing ad views, featuring paid promotions, and joining the YouTube Partner Program. However, one thing you must remember is that creating a YouTube channel is simple. Earning through it is not as straightforward. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or landing a sponsorship deal, but maximizing earnings requires understanding all your options before you dive in. Can you make money on YouTube? The short answer is yes. Thousands of people are doing it. And not all of them have millions of subscribers to boot. Contrary to popular belief, YouTube isn't just a numbers game. Your earning potential also depends on the niche you cater to, the level of engagement you generate, and the revenue streams you tap into. How to make money on YouTube. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is how regular YouTubers get access to special features on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube. Just setting up an AdSense account and getting views is enough to handle that. But being a partner makes it a lot easier. YouTube partners have access to multiple income streams, not just video ads, but YouTube Premium subscription fees, and features that tap your loyal fans' wallets directly. The YouTube Partner Program gives channels access to additional money-making opportunities once they meet the qualifying criteria. In order to be eligible for review to join the YPP, a channel must have more than 1,000 subscribers, exceed 4,000 valid public watch hours over the last year, abide by YouTube's monetization policies, be based in a country or region where the YPP is available, have a linked AdSense account. Once a channel meets this threshold, it's eligible to be reviewed for the YouTube Partner Program. Despite eligibility, the channel must also meet YouTube's additional policies and guidelines in order to gain approval for the program. While you don't have to continue to meet the threshold requirements every year, if your channel falls below the threshold and is inactive for 6 months, it may be removed from the partner program. 2. Get featured on YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a paid membership service that enables people to watch ad-free videos. Creators don't have to do anything, as they'll automatically get a second revenue stream when YouTube Premium members play their videos. As with YouTube monetization rules for advertising-based revenue, most of the revenue generated via premium membership fees will go to creators. Total revenue distribution is based on how much premium members watch your content. Premium members will also get the opportunity to download and watch your videos offline and play them in the background, which contributes to your watch time. Paid promotions and affiliate program. Taking advantage of paid promotions, such as product placements, sponsorships, and endorsements, also can be an effective way to generate income. Certain niches, such as review-type channels or how-to tutorials, lend themselves particularly well to paid promotions like affiliate marketing. Securing paid promotions can be accomplished in several different ways. You can reach out to brands with a proposal, or if you become recognized enough in your field, you may find yourself being approached by companies. When you identify your content as including paid promotions, YouTube will display a disclosure message at the beginning of the video. Once you've garnered a substantial following on the platform, You will likely experience businesses reaching out to you and requesting you to promote their products in exchange for cash. Consider becoming an affiliate of these brands and including product placements in your videos. You can also sign up for popular affiliate programs to expand your affiliate network. Monetize live streams via Super Chat. Super Chat is a popular new way to make money from YouTube. The feature lets your audience buy chat messages that stand out and, in certain instances, pin them to the top of the comments section of a live stream. So, when you go live on YouTube, you can use Super Chat to monetize your stream. YouTube monetization rates for Super Chat range from $1 to $500, and the company takes a 30% cut from the revenue. For anyone wondering how to make money from YouTube Super Chat, the key is to organize and promote live streams. You can monetize your YouTube account as soon as you're accepted into the partner program. Before that, you can try landing sponsorships from brands that pay creators to make good content. If you run an e-commerce store, you can start making money on YouTube the same day you create an account by promoting your items through the platform. Just make sure to spread the word beforehand that you'll be showcasing your products and leaving links through your channel. Thank you for listening to this podcast. This podcast has been brought to you by Newsy.com.